Yo guys, what's up? It's been a little bit since I posted my last video, but in today's video, I'm going to show you what worked on my watch list and how I traded today. So let's start. So today I had multiple things on my watch list. I know I had SNES, I had um, Blue Apron, APRN, which it went up to, and I think it actually fell. We can actually check that real fast. I'm watching Microsoft as of right now. Yeah, see, it popped up, hit a high, and then rejected off of it. So it's been in this uptrend. So now it looks like it broke it. This is a 5-minute chart. It'll more than likely start fading downwards, and have a couple bad days. It may support right here though. Um, so it could be a dip buy. I'm actually done for the week. I don't want to trade anymore. It's not what I wanted to do. I want this tool right here. Okay, so SNES was a really quick one today. I took this one. I took this trade. Um, I did not get in right here. I'm not going to tell you that I did. Not even going to be close. But I did like that it popped up, and then I didn't like that it fell. But as it started to gain momentum, I actually got in around in here. I didn't even call this one out. This is why being in chat rooms and stuff like that is so important. 10:55. I was actually getting ready to be done for the day because you all know I'm done at 11 o'clock every day, no matter what. I just tell myself that's when I'm done. Um, but I was in around 160, and I ended up selling up in here. I didn't wait for this pop. I saw this red candle as it was testing these highs. I thought it was going to triple top and fall. So I was out at around 175, 15 cents a share, which is not bad at all. My other trade, which was really early in the morning, is PIXY, and this one did take off. I did not capture this huge move. Absolutely, I did not. I will never say that I did. But I did catch this early in the morning. It bounced, and then it kind of held. And as it started to gain some more momentum, I got in around the 350 level. 355, I think, was actually my average in. Um, and then I kind of let it run up here into this, and it looks a whole lot more choppy on a 1-minute or a 2-minute chart, but that's not a big deal. And I actually sold it at the 390 level, just because it tested this before. As you can see, I have lines here. This 390 was a big thing, and then I didn't know if it was going to break this 415 level, which if you go back in the past, it had a hard time breaking, so that was really a big deal to me. I really could have entered this one again, but when I saw it pop up, and it was on a 1-minute and 2-minute chart, it just did not look clean as it does on its 5-minute chart. It fell back down. It did hold this $4 mark, which is a good sign, and then it spiked back up. But as you see, it had to have some news though in order to get it to actually push the rest of the way. Now, whether people bought the rumors or somebody already knew this was happening in order to push these up, I don't know. Again, I trade the chart. This news is the catalyst. It does help a lot. But more than likely, here in a few days, this one will actually be a nice short after it gets up high enough. I actually have a horrible headache today. I'm not going to lie. I don't know why, but it's Friday. Taking care of business. As you guys know, I do Amazon FBA as well. If you guys look past in some of my other videos when I first started the channel. So with that being said, I'm pretty much done for the day. I just finished up a couple calls with business partners, and I'm going to wrap it all up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys understand that you guys can get my watch list for free for 7 days if you click on the link below. There's a link. It'll send it to it, and if it's the first time coming to the website, it should pop up. All you do is enter your email address, and then I'll see it, and I'll see the date that it does, and it'll automatically put it into my watch list. If you have already done that and it has screwed up, because I know it's screwed up two people's, just send me an email, wes_cox@ymail.com. That'll be in the description below too. Feel free to email me with questions and things like that. I will answer them as soon as I get them. My laptop's going to die soon, so I am going to have to go put it on the charger for a little bit while I go get something to eat. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or if you got anything out of it at all. I am going to start going into some more basics because I've had a lot of people asking me questions. So I'm going to go dumb it down quite a bit because I know I can forget sometimes that my audience. So I'm not saying that you're dumb or anything. I'm just saying that I just think 10 steps ahead. So I need to pull it back a little bit, teach you guys how to read these levels again and things like that. I love you guys. I love all my students. We had a guy up 100% today. Um, Great guy, hard worker. Guys, this does not come overnight. You have to work your butt off. Um, that's the main thing, and people don't realize it. But and if you guys have looked at my stories on Instagram and stuff like that, Microsoft MSFT has had a couple great days, and I have been trading, or I haven't really been trading it. I invested in this a long time ago, and it's just holding and holding. I bought in some more yesterday, as you guys, if you guys saw it, this was my long play. Um, and then I've kind of held it today. Looking to sell it if it can't break this new high. But either way, I'm up quite a bit, as you can see. But with that being said, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your friends or whatever if they're looking to learn. But with that being said, I will see you guys all in the next video.